Hi guys, so welcome to another video about the stock market challenge that we started some time ago. I guess it was in September or something like that. And it's been going on now for like 46 days, and this is day 46. So we have the Iseq 20 or the Irish overall stock market, and we have the Dow Jones average, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and our very own PSEI. So where are we now in our quest to be better than the market? So let's start with Iseq 20. So Iseq 20 last October 16 closed at 1161.72. It is up 5.74% versus the start of our challenge. So these are our portfolio. We did not change it yet. We have not reshuffled it. It's the same from the beginning, right? We have Cairns Homes, CRH, Glanbia, Hibernia Rate, Irish Residential, Smurfit Kappa, and Total Produce. So we have Cairns Homes at 0.83, CRH at 32.77, Glanbia at 8.39, Hibernia Rate at 1.048, Irish Residential 1.3, Smurfit Kappa 35.44, Total Produce at 1.14. So total as of October 16 is 11,330.50. So it also went down, same with the market. Our portfolio now is at 11,330.50, and index wise it is at 1137.32. So versus the Iseq 20, it is down, it is below Iseq 20 by 24.4049 points. Versus the original portfolio though, we are still up 3.52%, while the Irish overall is up 5.74%. So we are lagging the market by 2.221%. By the way, Iseq 20 is one of the biggest movers last week. I mean, it's not the biggest mover, that 4%. It's one of the biggest movers uh, on the markets that we are tracking. But then last week it shed some points. Yeah, so that's it. Again, excuses from my part. For October 16 of Dow Jones Industrial Average, it inched up higher. It's now at plus 3.4% versus its start. It's at 28,606.31. And these are our portfolio members, the stock members of the portfolio. So we have Cisco at 40.16, Goldman Sachs at 206.21, Honeywell at 174.86, IBM at 125.93, Intel Corporation 54.16, JP Morgan 101.51, Merck at 79.83, UNH at 329.90, and Verizon at 58.05. By the way, we're not investing on Verizon because we like Yahoo Finance. Okay, so yeah, just to get that out of the way. So total, our portfolio is down a bit. Yeah, 10,545.70. So our corresponding index versus the market is 28,324.35, which is 2.38% versus the original portfolio. So we are down by 0.02% last week. So now we are lagging the market by 281.96 points. I have no excuses here. The market is leading us by 1.02%. Okay? So the market is really on a bullish stance, and it just means that the portfolio that we chose are not performing as well versus the market on an uptrend. But still, we're very much sticking to the portfolio that we chose. Remember that we don't have a lot of choices. It's just a 30 stock index. We're not choosing the S&P 500. This is just the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is composed only of 30 stocks. So yeah, so that means that the ones that moved up are not the ones that are cheap, PE wise, right? So let's see what happens when the market turns. Let's see. Okay, but right now the market is leading us by 1.02%. On a bullish, remember that in a bullish market, usually if you have a value portfolio, we have a balanced portfolio, usually you lag the market. Again, excuses coming from me. Yes. Now the PSEI. The PSEI is on a downtrend. Last week it's at 5931. Last week it's at 5999.40. It's now at 5898.47. It's now only up 0.24% versus the original portfolio. This is the original portfolio that we have. I've not changed it. You can see all the numbers here. I could not make it up. You know, you can watch the videos that when they started out last September 1. Yeah? So look at all the stocks that we chose. AGI at 727, BPI at 6670, DMC at 427, GT Cap 387.40, LTG, that's Lushotan Group 1040, big move this week from 898 to 10.4. MBT, Metrobank 40.9, Security Bank 93.8, Globe 1992, Mega World 2.98, Robinson's Land 14.10, Cash 4587.50, total portfolio now 105,937.50. This is already 5.938% versus the original. This has been 46 days, and if you compare this to an ordinary savings, this is already 59.4 years. Just put that in perspective. Okay, so corresponding index would be 6,233.55. So we are now above the market by 335 points. We are beating the market by 335 points, which is about 5.69% versus the market. So all in all, Iseq, we're still lagging the market. The Dow Jones is trashing us, but the PSEI, we are above the market by 5.69%, which is a good thing, right? So yeah, so that's how it stands as of October 16, 2020. Let's see what happens this week when we report again next week. So thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe as we come up with daily videos about stock market, about learning skills, some tech news, and some bit about HR, and necessarily things that can benefit you from the perspective of business, entrepreneurship, and everything that you like under the sun. Alright, so thank you very much. May all your trades be good trades. May all your trades be 10 baggers. This has been George. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.